Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change background in messages in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to change background in your messages app, so let's see how you can do that. So basically in your Google messages you have the same feature. If you want to use or if you want to change background of your messages, you have to open your Galaxy Store first. And once you are in Galaxy Store, you have to go to search and just simply search for Samsung Messages. And you need to install this app on your phone. It is a messages app from your Samsung. You just have to install it. I have already installed. I'm going to open this app. You have to click allow to all permissions. Once you have done, just click OK here and then set messages as your default app. Then click on set as default. Now once you are on this screen, you just have to select any chat. You can also try to create a new chat. I'm gonna create a new chat here and just select the recipient from here. Just select the person with which you want to start a chat and then send him a message. Now once you are in the chat, you just have to click on these three dots and then click on customize chat room. Now from here you can easily select the chat background you want to select. You can also select from your photos. If you have any photo you want to set as your background, so you can also select that from this gallery icon or you can change background from here. Once you have done, you can select apply to all chat room or you can also set this for a specific chat. So in this way, you can easily change background and messages in your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.